Ah! Wonderful. Get back to business. Let's have fun. And here we go again. Now we have a leak under an asphalt alleyway in Falls Church. Lots of water coming up through the asphalt and concrete seams and pretty much dumping a river onto the side of the property. It's important to note that before we started this job, we had the leak detected by a leak detection company. We started the excavation at that precise location. Kind of difficult to stay ahead of the water, but we couldn't shut off the shopping center. Once we finally got down there, we noticed that water was coming in from a source that was not in the area of our excavation. Yep. Yeah, that wasn't the hole. So we try again. We called back out our friendly neighborhood water leak detection company. And there you have it. A new point of leak. Yeah, that looks more like it. So that was cool. Feels like a 3-inch or 4-inch pipe down there. Well, we shut down the water to the shopping center, performed the repair, tested for pressure for the next 10 minutes. Nice and sealed. And now that the repair is done, we move on to backfill and concealment with temporary asphalt and power washing of the parking lot, as well as hauling away any spoils. Great work, team. Nice and clean, the Freedom Way.